Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video we are going to see the nature of the roots of quadratic equation and relation between the roots and coefficient of the quadratic equation. Let's first see the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. This is the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, and the roots are minus b plus or minus square root of this by 2a. We have already seen this. Here you can find the link of the video for the derivation of the roots. If the roots are alpha beta for this equation, please note this. For one root there is a plus sign for the square root term. For other root there is a negative sign for the square root term. The term inside this square root, this term b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. This term decides whether the roots are real or not real. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and denoted by delta. Now, delta can be positive, delta can be 0 or delta can be negative. Based on this, we can decide the roots are real or not. Let's find it out. Let's say for delta is 0, discriminant is 0. Means b square minus 4ac, this square root term is 0. So both the roots are minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. So both the roots are equal and real. Minus b by 2a is a real term. So if the discriminant is 0, then roots are equal and real. Now let's find it out for positive discriminant value. If the discriminant value b square minus 4ac is positive, means square root of positive is a real number. So this minus b plus real number by 2a. This is real and even this is real. So both the roots are distinct. They are not equal. So we get distinct root and real. Now let's see for negative discriminant value. This discriminant b square minus 4ac is negative. Means square root of negative number in this case and in this case is not real, right? Square root of negative number is imaginary number. That means both the roots are not real, they are imaginary. So for discriminant less than 0, roots are distinct and not real. This discriminant decides the nature of the roots. Now let's see the relation between roots and coefficients of the quadratic equation. Let's add the roots here. Alpha plus beta. Then what will we get? If we add these two terms, if you observe this square root term gets cancelled. One is positive, one is negative. So then we are left with minus b by 2a plus minus b by 2a while adding. So we will get minus 2b by 2a. 2 gets cancelled. So we are left with minus b by a. Means what? Sum of the roots is nothing but minus b by a. Now let's check what will happen if we multiply the roots. Alpha into beta. Numerator value. This is a plus b. This is a minus b. So multiplication of a plus b into a minus b will get a square minus this term square root of b square minus 4ac square. So we are left with b square minus b square plus 4ac. So numerator is 4ac and denominator is 2a square, that is 4a square. So product of the roots is nothing but c by a. So we can say by A. Product of the roots is C by A. This is the relation between roots and the coefficients of the quadratic equation. In this example, let's find the sum and the product of the roots of this quadratic equation. Just now we have seen sum of the roots is nothing but minus B by A. Okay, minus B. B is nothing but, in this case it's minus 5 by A. So sum of the roots of this quadratic equation is 5 by 3. And the product of the roots is C by A, which is nothing but 11 by 3. So this is the sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots of this quadratic equation. Thank you everyone.